In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Durable AE, create a website in minutes. We'll move from a blank slate to a polished, published site, and I'll point out helpful tips along the way so you can get the most from the built-in AI. First, head to Durable's website and click Build a Website. Sign up with your email or a Google account. There's no credit card needed to try it, and creating an account ensures your work is saved as you go. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Enter your business type. Things like virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service work great. And add your location if you want the content to feel local. Then click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable will create a homepage, services, about, and contact pages complete with images and copy. The more specific you are with your business description, the better the starter content will fit. Now it's time to refine. Click Edit to customize the site. For text, click any section and type your own content, or use Rewrite with AI to adjust tone and clarity while keeping your message. Make sure your headings are clear, your call to action is obvious, and your contact details are accurate. For images, click an image and choose Replace. You can upload your own photos for authenticity or use AI images if you're still building your asset library. From there, personalize the design. Change colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections to match your brand. Upload your logo and add your brand style so the site feels cohesive. Aim for strong contrast and clean typography to keep everything accessible and easy to read. If you need more content, click Pages to add a blog, FAQ, gallery, pricing, or a contact form. Think about what your visitors need most and keep your navigation simple so key information is always easy to find. Durable also includes optional business tools. You can enable a lightweight CRM to manage leads, send invoices, and even allow appointment booking. Turn on only what you need to keep things streamlined. When you're ready to go live, click Publish. You can use a free Durable subdomain or connect a custom domain if you're on a paid plan. Your site publishes instantly, so do a quick scan for typos and broken links first. Finally, check mobile. Sites are mobile responsive, but preview on your phone and adjust spacing if anything feels cramped. In settings, polish your SEO, edit page titles, meta descriptions, and business info, and connect Google Analytics on a paid plan for deeper insights. That's it. You've built and launched a professional website in minutes.